Hey Marie, where are we headed?
We're heading to Codorus State Park
In Hanover, Pennsylvania.
with our matching shirts on.
We'll bring you back when we get there. It is the next day. When we got here, it was a little rainy, a little snotty, so I waited till the morning. So we are in Site 64. And you see we have the flag hanging. So Site 64 is Loop B, which has some full hookup sites and is dog friendly. You can see the site has a macadam parking area, and then the rest is natural. There are some handicap sites that have like a concrete pad on the side. You can see you got plenty of room, don't have to angle the truck. And then here on the fun side, it was, if you pick this site, you gotta watch how long your rig is. As you can see, not a lot of space between the awning and the tree. So just keep that in mind. This rig is 27 feet to the end, 22 to there. So you gotta be careful with that. Got the mat out because of the gravel. See Phoebe's there. And got the chairs out. There's Maria over there looking through some pictures. And the picnic table, we just put half the picnic cloth, the tablecloth on, because we had our pie irons out and we're making pie iron sandwiches on there. The outdoor kitchen. This is all part of the site. We'll have a lot of people over for the campfire. But you can see a lot of space. That's one nice thing about the state parks. There's always really big sites. And of course the back, there's a trail that goes along there up to the bathhouse, which is way over there. So there's a trail there that leads up to the bathhouse. And then this is the back of the rig. And then on the service side, you can see it's got sewer, water, and electric. And I don't have a slide, so we don't have to worry about how far I come over. I do have my splitter on here with my pressure relief valve. And the electric is 50, 30, and 20. And you can see there's a little bit of a slope. I had to jack the front end up a little bit to keep it level, but not bad. And I put one board under it. You can see on this side we stuck a board under there to level it side to side. It's off about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, right around there. So that is this site 64. I was here once before in Site 57, and I did a more comprehensive review of the campground. So I'll put that in here for you if you want to click on that and see the whole campground and all the sites. And then there is also another video I did on all the amenities at Codorus State Park. I'll put that in here for you. And now, let's check out some of the fun stuff we did. We had a nice dinner last night since it was raining. We went to Buon Appetito and had really good Italian food. And the chef was also the waiter because it was a weeknight. So we're starting the fire a little early tonight. We got it going. A pile of wood there for Mr. Tim. More Mr. Tim wood. This is Dot and Dave. And then what we have left of ours. Because tonight we are making dinner on the fire. We got the pie irons. We do have a pan in case somebody wants to put it up on the grill, throw something in there. But we'll have cheesesteak. We'll have steak sandwich meat to make with pie irons. We have hams. They also have pizza dough and sauce and cheese for pie iron pizzas. And they got some cherry mixture for pie iron desserts. Maybe throw a Wilbur in there for people who need chocolate with their cherries. So should be a fun night, and we'll see how it turns out. What do you think about pie iron dinner tonight, Marie?
I'm curious on how it's going to work out. I wish my grandsons were here to enjoy it. They really do enjoy getting out the pie irons.
Yeah, making their grilled cheese sandwiches in there. And pizzas. So this is a pizza dough with some mozzarella, some of that famous onion.
Sauce.
What was that called?
Onion.
Sabret's onion hot dog sauce.
Put a little of that in there.
And this is pizza sauce.
And some meat. And fire it up and see how it tastes. And you see Jean is making a pizza with pizza dough, pizza sauce, and mozzarella.
And some spice.
And a little spice. She's going to spice it up. Here we have Tim's rig to haul Molly around.
We need to do the shower with her.
Yeah, we might do that at Elk Neck because that'll be right across from the thing.
Italian bread, it's bigger. They're bigger than the
And here we see those pie irons cooking. Dawn's got Italian bread with pizza sauce, mozzarella, and
Yummy.
steak sandwich.
Yum.
Better?
Should I get the hot dog?
Sorry, Scott.
No, you're okay. And Jean is making her pizza with the seasonings. That's the most authentic one. And mine is a steak sandwich with the hot dog sauce, hot dog onion sauce.
We could lower the grate.
Yeah,
That might be.
that'll make it cook faster.
Spray 'em.
Steak sandwich was a great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Marie, what'd you make?
Cheese and basil.
There you go. Take a bite of that. Let's see what it looks like inside. And there's a piece of basil hanging out. It's like hazel baiting.
Maybe I just do long.
Dave, what'd you make?
Ham and cheese.
There's our ham and cheese pie iron. Looks delicious.
Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
Have at it.
All right.
Today, we're going to kayak at Codorus State Park in Marburg Lake. Got the kayaks on the truck. Got Dave and Dot over there putting theirs ready, getting her ready. We're kayaking today.
Marburg.
Marburg. That was the name of the town they flooded. This is a flooded town.
This is a flooded town?
When they built a lake. Ready?
Yep.
flying?
Just landed on that dead branch at 1 o'clock straight up to the boat.
He's doing shit.
He's still there. He'll be there when you get there.
Big bird, little bird.
Little bird.
Little bird. I think there's some kingfishers flying.
I think it is a kingfisher.
Now, if you noticed in the kayaks, you'll see that Maria and I have sit-on-top kayaks, and the other folks have kayaks that you sit in, where your body is in the hull of the boat instead of on top of the boat. And two reasons we selected sit-on-top kayaks. One, it's easier to fish from a sit-on-top kayak. As a matter of fact, the Pelicans that we're using, they have spots for your fishing rod, so it's a little easier to fish that way. And then also, we also used our kayaks in the ocean, and they're self-bailing, so if you take a wave, it doesn't sink the kayak. You don't have to get out, the water drains out. Now, with my health issues, I don't do ocean kayaking anymore. I couldn't take getting wiped out by a wave, but I still do like to fish once in a while from the kayaks, so we'll keep the sit-on-tops. Here's our first little fish that we caught on Marburg Lake, kayak fishing. There we go. Got a nice little perch. There he is. A good looking perch right there. You can see him. A nice perch. Get him off the hook. Hey, if this video helped you or you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. It helps us out a lot. Also, ring that bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. That helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,
Go have some fun out there.
hey, thanks for watching.
Yep.
And the trip ends with a Tim Hoffman fire.
Mm-hmm.